Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share PLR, ChatGPT expertise. This is the perfect PLR product. You must have just grabbed this brand new, high in demand to get a practical endless flow of website visitors at your fingertips. Rebrand it, resell it and keep 100% of the profits. This fantastic product with PLR abounding with marvelous advantages. 01 Grab all high quality content for your ebook, blogs, articles, etc. Sell it under your name and keep all profits. 02 Ready-made, high quality promotional material to sell and keep 100% profit without much effort. 03 Properly researched and high in demand hot niche aid in revenue generation today. 04 No technical expertise or unique skill is required. 05 Complete blown ready to market sales material for reselling. 06 Drive in responsive leads on complete autopilot. And all of this at extremely low prices. Boost your online presence now with a 100% done for you and properly examined sales funnel. The evolution of artificial intelligence is now in full swing, and chatbots are only a faint splash on a massive wave of progress. Get hooked on immensely powerful chatbots that are inspiring awe and creating excitement in the minds of people. Love them or hate them, chatbots are here to stay. Today's chatbots are smarter, more responsive, and more practical, and we're likely to see even more of them in the coming years. We'll be exploring why chatbots have become such a popular marketing technology. A groundbreaking jam-loaded product to earn thousands of bucks. Increase the number of visitors to your income source by simply using our remarkable product, ChatGPT expertise with PLR, right at your comfort. We've created an extensive, ready-to-go sales funnel to let you earn many profits. The key to success for web tycoons is creating and selling their own products. Pondering, what is their method? The internet is experiencing a massive upsurge in its use, resulting in billions of Google searches daily. People use the search engine to find answers and solutions to their questions and challenges. Consumers are eager to purchase informative and dependable items that offer new content, and sellers capitalize on this trend by making large profits from these in vogue items. Do you have the time and skills needed to develop a top niche specialized product? If not, getting the job done could take a lot of time and effort. It is clumsy to expect to have knowledge of every trending topic on the internet and quickly create an outstanding product that fulfills all the requirements. There are a lot of things to consider, such as designing quality product, developing and building products, making it download ready, developing and building products. The sequence is endless. In fact, because of this, most aspiring marketers give up even before they start. Guess what? We have made it really very easy for you. You don't have to put in a lot of effort to reach your goals by creating comprehensive and labor-intensive marketing copies, graphics, swipes, etc. Our astonishing product is prepared for you at an incredibly low cost. If you want to know more this product, please check my description link. Thank you for watching my video, like and subscribe to the Get Update.